Today I'm in the Lakeview, Wrigleyville neighborhood in the 3800 block of North Broadway in the Eagles building. Brand new construction. This is a one bedroom plus a den or a dining area slash kitchen, however you want to lay it out. So you've got the higher ceiling, the track lighting, stone countertops, stainless steel package. They're the white shaker cabinets, 42-inch cabinets, so they're huge. Good side-by-side refrigerator. That's the front door there. The building does allow dogs. Some breed restrictions apply. Contact me and we'll work out those details. This unit has in-unit washer and dryer. It's the bigger ones. Here's the bathroom. Nice stone floors, countertop. Very nice and spacious. Has the glass doors. See, it's got the alcove. Nice big tub. And again, everything is new, so you should have great water pressure. There is the whole entire top floor is amenities floor. It has an exercise room. It has sun deck. It has gas grills and even a running path.